Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to this channel or you're just knowing about my existence, thank you as well for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I blend my extensions to get a particular color. I actually blended 3 extensions to get this particular color that I used for this week. So that is what I'll be showing you guys today, so you can blend and custom make your own hair. So the first one, I used a lot of color 350, and the second one I'm pointing at, I used a lot of color 27, and the last one I used a lot of color 33, and the fourth one I used all the extensions equally. Just get your braiding hair. I don't know if you want the color 350 to be prominent in your braiding hair, you put a lot of 350 compared to color 33 and 27. By the way, I'm blending color 350 expression braiding hair with 27 and 33. All the extensions I used in this video are expression braiding hair, so I used color 350, 27 and 33, and that was how I got my color. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you don't want your braiding hair to be well blended, if you want it to be to have some highlights, you shouldn't blend it that much, but I wanted mine to be well blended. That was why I had to take time and blend, mix, blend and mix. But if you don't want yours to be well mixed like the one I did, then you can just mix a little bit and then you are good to go. So like I said, if you want some highlights, then you can stop here, but I wanted mine to be well blended, so I'll continue blending. And another important thing you want to put in mind is to blend and comb, blend and comb, so that everything will be well combined and well blended.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say Then my hands start shaking.